This is amazing. So you guys can play a game by throwing it, kicking it. You could play like almost like basketball where you're like trying to block the other person. It's amazing. It's awesome. This is VEVOR's awesome. I'm excited. Soccer game. So soccer dart game. You get all these balls. You get a pump. You get the blower for the actual game itself, and you can use this for other things as well. So locate this. It has blue on here, and this is where you just tie it off, and this is where you're gonna blow. So the air is gonna blow in and inflate this. And it inflates extremely fast, like very quick. Okay, are you guys ready? That's right. This is me. I am just a little blimp compared to this. This thing is amazing. Inflates, I think like less than 2 minutes. This thing is absolutely amazing. It is massive. And it is awesome. This is amazing. So you guys can play a game by throwing it, kicking it. You could play like almost like basketball where you're like trying to block the other person. It's amazing. It's awesome. So we don't have it fully staked. That's why it's kind of leaning a little bit, but this is so cool. And it's easy to set up. Like, it doesn't take long. So if you have this on like a linoleum or something, the balls bounce. So you could play some kind of soccer, basketball, and while someone's trying to block you. It's just amazing. Easy to set up, guys. Like, seriously, one of the easiest things to set up I've ever had to do. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And it's like you can kick it as hard as you want towards this thing or throw it. And because it sticks so well, you don't have to even throw it that hard. Even soft. It's just awesome, guys. Seriously. VEVOR knocked it out of the park with this one. They did amazing.